Yo, what's up everybody, this is Starlight369 and today we're going to be playing Wolf Online. Now, I haven't been playing this game since a long time, and sadly my account got deleted, so long time ago, I had 2 diamonds, but now I had to start all over again from the start. So, yeah. Just change my account right here. Star-Lord. Just put Star-Lord. Star-Lord 369. Alright. Anyway. Now I'm doing this glitch where you want to do right here is get the most, like, you want to find a map with the most people right here. So you could try using this map, or you can try using basically any map that has the most people. And in this glitch, what I found out is, if you play this game, right, that if you make sure you kill an animal, and if you have a dead animal, you can bring it all the way to a wall. Make sure there's nothing around it but that wall. But the map has to have a lot of players, so it's really glitchy. Like I recommend like the Wildland. So what you're supposed to do, so like, since this one has the most players and the most glitches in it. I don't know why, but today I'm coughing a lot. I woke up at the wrong time today. Alright. So, what you're supposed to do in the video, when you play this game. Now, I tried using the one that has like the most people in it. Mostly the Wildland, because like, you see how laggy this is? If you know it's laggy a lot, then you know it's a good enough map. So what you want to try to do is find food. And if you, well, they're going after that, so I'm just gonna go for another one. But anyway, if you find food on here, and then kill it, and go near a wall, what will happen, it will glitch out, and then the food that you try to eat, it will just like, it's unlimited if you actually do this, but you have to make sure it's a map that's really full. And so like, if you try doing this like right near here and try eating, no, I'm not sure if it's gonna work for me, but you basically get the stuff. It's kind of rolling off the screen right here. Okay, now that didn't work for me, but I've seen other YouTubers do this, and this does work. I am not trying to give you some false information. This is actually a glitch that you can actually do. It's probably because the bunny was not small enough. Maybe it's the deer that work. I don't know. But I've seen loads of people have deers and elk. It's probably the deers and elk because they're big enough. And like what you can do is make it unlimited food, and you can have as many stats as you want. That's why when I was beginning, I saw this one YouTuber, and it was this unlimited food glitch because I saw when I was playing that there was unlimited food, and I was crazy about that because I was like, yo, I want that because I can have my stats start all over again. So this is a quick way of making your stats go all the way up. I have no idea why the steer is on top of me. This is kind of awkward. How is he eating the deer that's on top of me if he's all the way over there? Alright. But anyway, I'm gonna have more videos like this. I'm gonna have like a cooking to show you guys how to cook. Some videos I'm gonna play The Sims. Alright, some videos I'm gonna show what? Some videos I'm also going to show it's like there's loads of other games I'm gonna be playing, and one of the videos I'm gonna show you like what I'm gonna be playing. I'm gonna record videos of me playing this, like funny moments and stuff, just like Banos or other YouTubers. So I'm going to end the video right here. I hope you subscribe and like the video.